Can an income be built with a system? It's a question we're going to be talking about today. So on Facebook, I'm going to share this. Can an income be built with a system? Okay, I'm not going to mess with that. All right, so, we're going to be talking specifically when it comes to building an income online, but, systems, I'm going to clarify this for you right now. Whenever you're making any form of money, there's a system that goes on throughout your day. There's a system that goes on whether you're working a job. There's a system that goes on whether you're running a local business. It's all a system. And, a system is basically just the steps that are being done or the things that are in place to get a task done, some sort of objective done. It's all ran through a system. So don't think, when you hear a system like, oh, this is the system, the key to success, the system. Yes, there are systems for everyone, but it won't, when you have to understand systems, they won't be as effective for, every single person. So there's no perfect system for everyone. So what can you take from that? Well, whenever, there's a system you have in place and you don't see, it's working, or, you're trying to build an income, you have a system in place, you have to just tweak some things. So what I mean by tweaking, fix little things, customize little things, make sure, you want to do testing, you want to do, just basically make changes in order to get your system to work for you. So here are some examples. I'm just going to give you an example of a system. I talked about this on my last live, and it's about the system that goes down in a restaurant. So basically, we have the cashier, we have the cooks, we have the supervisors, and then we have the people who do the extra things like cleaning up the janitorial services, and then we have the business owners. They're all functioning a system to run a functional business. Same thing can go, especially for those who are interested in building an online stream of income. There's a system. So how can a system work online? You're going to have something that captures your traffic. You're going to also have something, you're going to also have those methods that you use to get people in the door or inside your system. You're inside your traffic to, be a part of your system. Then you're going to have something that, sells or explains to your traffic. Then you're going to have something that, accepts your money from your traffic or follows up with your traffic. There's simple steps that just go on when making money online. Now, if you think making money online at this point is fake or not real, I don't think this is the page for you. But it's not your fault because you just don't know everything. You haven't learned enough before you can actually start, judging things. So I really suggest before you ever make a decision on something, you should start becoming more sophisticated and actually do your research. I would never join something simply because, you see everyone else do it. Do your own research, find if something's suited for you, and then take action on it. So, this video is mainly just to, inform you on systems. And you guys really need to understand, everything is ran in a system. So whenever you get pushed, a system in your face or something like that, oh, this is the system or key to success, you just have to know, no matter what system's going on, what's going down, you're going to have to really customize it for which, it goes through the same process, but it's more customized and related and suitable for you. So I want you to keep that in the back of your head, no matter what. There's no perfect system for anyone, but there's a system that works. It just may not be as efficient for you as it may be for the next person, but it works. It's all about, how you, make it relative to your area. So I'm gonna give another example, Burger King. You would think, or a Chick-fil-A. So a Chick-fil-A is doing extremely good, and it has this perfect system that goes on to make a lot of money, throughout the week. So someone may go up in their head, he's making this much with his Chick-fil-A. How about I start my Chick-fil-A and franchise my business somewhere else with me or in my area? And what's going to happen is he's going to be running the same exact functions, but he's not going to be making the same amount of money simply because he's going to have to make simple adjustments to his, Chick-fil-A or his business. He's not going to have to switch everything around. He's just going to, at some point in time, he's in a different area. He's surrounded by different people. He's going to have to make simple adjustments just to increase the business that's well suited for, his system that's going to go on in his Chick-fil-A. But he's going to be mainly following the simple processes that goes on with the Chick-fil-A in the new area. But he may or may not be making the same amount of money. It does not matter. So, no matter what, when you're running a business and you're doing anything in life, there's going to be a system, which is just basically the steps you do or the things that are in place for you to, get a task done. And you're going to have to follow that system or, go through the guidelines. It just, at some point in time, you're going to have to tweak it a bit so it will be more efficient for you. So I want you all to always remember that. It does not matter what you do. Whenever you're going through a system or functioning with a system, things are going to have to be tweaked. The way you do things are going to have to change slightly. But you always want to kind of follow the simple frameworks the broad frameworks that go surround these systems. All right? So that's what I, mainly wanted to talk to you and explain to you guys, systems when it comes to making money. You're going to have to tweak. So something for the Chick-fil-A owner, what parts would he have to tweak? He's not going to have to change his logo. He's not going to have to, remodel his whole entire, building. It's just doing too much. But he can make simple things like firing some bad employees. He's in a different area. He may have hired, ineffective employees. He's probably going to have to, or he can even have to train some new employees, or he's going to have to, get deliveries for certain products here. So he's able to, have everything done at a certain time so that people are more pumped and, customer service ratings go up, things of that nature. He's going to have to, tweak the way things are done so that his business stays afloat. He's not going to go out and, say, oh, Chick-fil-A is a bad business model. Chick-fil-A, I should have never opened a Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is a scam because, look, there's other people who's owns Chick-fil-A's that are successful, functioning their Chick-fil-A. But at some point, the other Chick-fil-A owners, other business owners are going to have to make tweaks for their area and their surroundings so that their business is more efficient and their business is more successful. Because, look, not everyone is going to get the same exact results. You need to understand that. Everyone will never get the same exact results. But if they follow the simple frameworks and are able to, test and change and tweak things for it to be more effective for them, that's when they begin to notice, they're running their business and they're building their business and making it more effective. There's never going to be the perfect system for everyone. You have to make a system that works for you at the end of the day, but you can always follow the big frameworks, the broad frameworks around it, so you can continue to grow that business. So I'm talking about systems today, so I'm just going to put a little link in the description below. For those of you who actually watched this, it's going to introduce you to a system of mine. I want you to take a look at it. If you are interested in generating income online, I'm going to put it in here right now. If you visit www.tafaridean.com/earn, I want to show you one of the systems that I use to build a stream of income online. I'm actually going to, after that, just visit the link in the description. It's www.tafaridean.com/earn, or you can visit my website, just click the earn button. I'm going to show you one of my systems that I'm using to generate an income online. It's a skill. It's based around the skill of affiliate marketing. This is basically the skill that I use to build streams of income online. Marketing in general is an amazing skill that you should have, whenever it comes to making any forms of money online. You want to know how to get your message out there, get your reach out there, in order to make extensive amount of money online. So basically, if you're interested in building another stream of income online, I want you to click that link below and learn about this system that I've been using. And remember, the system won't work unless you do. And, your life won't change unless you take action. All right, so click that link below. Get access to it right now. I'm going to keep it limited to about, 7 people to get access to the system. And then I'm probably going to close it out because I want to actually, go through and, work with these people, whoever actually legitimately take action. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Remember the story of the Chick-fil-A owners. Systems won't work efficiently for everyone, but it just takes those simple tweaks. All right, so make your tweak, make your change. All right, I'll see you guys in my next live. I'm going to keep putting out content on my Facebook. Can see you in the next one. All right.